Okay, if you get in trouble this time, if I leave you alone, like that DSI time, well, there's no more egg of shame. It rotted.
Ew, it smells.
Yeah, let's go throw it out. Okay. Then I will make you sit in the nest for 3 days. You got it? Yes, we do. And don't go near that fluffy majigga thing. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Bro, I love you.
I'm not your brother, I'm your dad. Stop giving me kisses, I'm not that romantic. So, goodbye. Okay. What should we do now?
I don't know.
So, what should we do now?
I know.
Let's go see that big fat fluffy thing on the couch thing.
No, remember he said that earlier?
Yeah, but it's so mysterious. It's big and ugly.
No.
Oh, let's just go, okay?
I'm not going over there.
Okay, I'm not going.
Me either.
Fine, I'll just take a picture of it and show you.
Ah, hee ha.
Whoa. Oh my god, it's fat.
Oh my god, it's squishy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's fluffy. Ew. My goodness, it's beautiful. Hey girl, wanna go out?
No. How did I think she's dead?
She's not dead. Oh, I think she's sleeping.
I think she...
Come on, I'm going. Hey guys, she was hot. Yeah. Let's just wait for Dad to come. Here she comes. Isn't she beautiful? Whoa. She looks evil. Wow, she's hot. Let's just wait for Dad, okay? Yeah. Few hours later. Hey guys, I'm back. What have you been doing?
Nothing. It was his idea. He went to see his cat, and he thought it was beautiful, and he wanted to go out on a date with it.
Oh, you stay in the nest for 3 days without even moving anywhere. Why am I the one who always gets into trouble?
Because you're trouble.
Because you're a troublemaker. Alright, folks, he's dead.
Okay.
He's dead. He's dead.
Get these and tell him that here you go, red and blue and yellow thing.
Ooh, the jelly. So whatever. So, he's in trouble, so I'm going to turn off the camera now. Okay? See you, bye.